Hi everyone, welcome back to the Central for Arts and Design, CAD, YouTube channel. This time, we'll be sharing a video tutorial on how to activate the Extension Warehouse in SketchUp software. Alright, for the first step, let's open your SketchUp software. Here, I'm using SketchUp Pro 2025. Now, once SketchUp is open, take a look at the toolbar at the very top. There, try to find Extension. It's usually the second option from the right. Once you've found it, left-click on that tab. Automatically, the toolbar menu will scroll down, and you can select Extension Warehouse. Then, a Sign In dialog box will appear. This is the login to your Trimble account so you can access the Extension Warehouse. Click Sign In, and your web browser will automatically open, directing you to the SketchUp website, specifically the login page with your Trimble account. To log in to the Trimble website, you can use your existing Google account. Wait a moment, and you'll see the sign in text, "You're signed in to all things SketchUp." This indicates that you are now on the Trimble website, specifically in the Extension Warehouse. After this, you can return to your SketchUp software. Once you're back in SketchUp, you'll see the Extension Warehouse menu dialog box. The Extension Warehouse is an online service where SketchUp users can find and download various extensions or plugins that expand the functionality of the 3D modeling software. These extensions allow users to access additional tools and features not available natively in SketchUp, such as tools for creating complex 3D models, processing data, or importing models from other formats. In the Extension Warehouse menu, there's a search bar. Let's search for a plugin. Here, I'll search for a pipe plugin. Enter the keyword pipe and wait until all the search results appear. Then, select the plugin extension to view its description. Read the specifications of the plugin carefully, making sure it's compatible with the SketchUp version you're using, and then click Install. Next, wait a few moments until the plugin installation process is complete. The completion of the installation process is indicated by the appearance of a new toolbar from the plugin you just installed. Close the Extension Warehouse menu, and place the new toolbar of this plugin wherever you want it. So, that's the process of how to activate the Extension Warehouse. Hopefully, it's helpful. Don't forget to support us by subscribing, liking if you enjoyed the video, and sharing it. See you in the next videos from Central for Arts and Design. Thank you.